You sent me a picture of you two. That's why I put this dream combination together. So had you met before? Was it AVA? You saw it?
Well, it was at AVA, but we were doing like a DJ conference thing before.
That's right.
What?
Yeah.
I get why he's doing it. Why were you doing a DJ conference?
I was like mediating it, would you say?
Mediating it?
Yeah, I don't know.
What was your slot at AVA?
I wasn't playing.
Oh, you just
I was
there?
just there as a punter, yeah.
Oh, I'd hate that if I was a DJ and then you were just
it's a
there,
bit
because
of
everyone would be like, "There's
Headbanger. And I had in glasses, you kind of get away with it.
He was the most noticeable fella. I saw him from like 200 yards away, and I couldn't see anything.
We were in America and then he had AVA the next day and he goes, just not going, mate. And then you went, I'm going to go, but I'm just taking it easy. Did you take it easy?
No.
No.
Anything, I took it hard. Hold on, actually, I take that back. I didn't take anything. I took something, but didn't. I took nothing hard. Do you want to start over again, actually, Dan?